Hello, my art viewers. Welcome to my channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. Today, we are going to see basic shading. So, let's get started. We are just considering the simple outline that is apple. So, make your outline according to your wish, and I'll show how to shade it. So, I will just speed up the process. As always suggested, make your outline lighter and then you can adjust your outline after you are completely done. So first I did outline very lightly and after that I am adding values on it. You can make necessary corrections using kneaded eraser or some other eraser which is available to you. Once you are done with outline, we'll start applying the base layer. So first I'm going with stem. So we need to use tissue paper to blend it. Using tissue paper we can achieve soft results, whereas using a blending stump it will be like rough edges and it may damage your paper. So choose your materials wisely. That is my suggestion. So I am applying base layer using a 2B or HP pencil. You can use anything, so it is suggestible. So you can go horizontally or vertically, but use only one direction, either horizontal or vertical. Don't choose like two directions and make it messy. You can use cross hatching technique if you want, or you can use circular motions as I'm using. So anything is suggestible, but go in only single direction. Once we apply this base layer, we'll use tissue paper for blending. So any tissue paper is suggestible. You can use local tissue papers which are available. So I can also show how to make tissue paper at home, not now but after few days. You can also see a recent playlist on advanced course which I already started with Tiger, so I'm uploading it. So after this is my last video in a beginners course. So hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll also enjoy those new playlists which are upcoming. So I am planning to take a playlist on tips and art requirements, so you'll also enjoy those art tips. And please do support me. You can also subscribe to my channel if you feel these videos are really helpful. So thank you. So now our base layer is ready. So I am highlighting few parts which are darkest region. I did like you can see the left corner of the apple, so I did it. You can also readjust the shape as I am doing. See, after shading it will look quite different from the outline. So if you want to look like, if you want to show a bulgy look, you can add few additional regions so that your apple looks quite good. So I'm satisfied with my shape after filling the base layer. So I'm adding leaf, so that is optional. You can add or you can skip it. So I'm adding it. So after adding it, we'll go to next layer, that is like quite dark layer. We're using 4B pencil. So you can hold pencil as shown in the video. If you hold pencil in this way, you can control your speed. So after adding the darkest region, you need to shade. Like after every layer you need to shade, so that it will look like completely and evenly. So we also started shading the leaf. We gave the base layer and I'm using tissue paper, I'm blending it. So this is a continuous process and you need patience here. So each layer you need to add value using graphite pencil and you need to shade using tissue paper, so on. So here I'm using 4B pencil. So according to me, each pencil, like each brand has different shades and different thickness. So it is suggestible to think before adding, and I'm using the base pencils which are available so that every beginner can purchase it. So this is my suggestion. So first try with the basic pencils and after that go with darker grades or best brands. After you get confidence in yourself, you can go with better brands. Here, as we are dealing with beginner videos, I'm using the basic tools, whereas in advanced one, you can see the original tools which I'm using in on regular basis. So you can see those videos and you can learn. You can also improve your tools. So if you are seeing this process, I added the other layer and I blended it using tissue paper. Now I'm using kneaded eraser and erasing the extra stuff which is out of my apple. So importance of this kneaded eraser is it is easy to remove the extra graphite from your artwork. So this is suggestible eraser and available easily. I'm giving additional strokes to the leaf so that it will look more realistic. So you can add these values in your drawing. So you can improve step by step. Go step by step and don't be in hurry. As always suggested by me, do it with patience. Here you can see I'm again adding few darker values because my darker value is missing. So you need to add darker values using the higher grade pencil. So towards left, so that is the reflected part, so there will be a shadow. So do it dark as possible and the lighter part will be the center most one and few darker grades to the left and we'll add shadow beneath the apple. So shadow will play major role in every art. So after adding shadow, your art will look like it is standing or it is realistic. As you can see here, we just added values, but we didn't shade it using tissue paper, so it is looking uneven. So now we are adding the shadow beneath the apple. So after that, we'll add a blending using tissue paper. So I'm blending the shadow using tissue paper and you can remove the excess using a kneaded eraser. So don't worry about the excess, just go with the process. So blend it properly using tissue paper. So you can use kneaded eraser now and you can remove the excess. You can always remove excess where you don't require. So you can also remove excess from your real artwork, not only the sides and all. Here I'm trying to match the darker region with the apple. Here now if you see it is looking different from the apple's part. So I'm trying to blend it to mix with the apple. And I'm also adding darker values beneath the apple. So because the shadow will be as dark as possible, so you can use the darker grade pencils. There is no specific grade. You can go with your own grades. We are almost done with this darker region, so we'll use the tissue paper and we'll blend it and we'll match our destination. So here I'm blending. So after blending, if you want to add like more darker grade, so you can use graphite pencil and you can add as per your wish. There is no limit, so you can do anything as per your wish. In every step, try to remove the excess graphite. If you think you can remove in the end, so that will be a difficult process because as you go on adding the layers, it will become like huge work and it will become more darker and darker. So that will be very hard to remove it. So just remove in each step. So now I'll add lighter region using kneaded eraser. You can see that I'm adding few lighter spots on the apple. See, after adding the lighter spots, it will look more realistic. So you can add using any eraser. It is not necessary to use a particular eraser. You can also use local eraser and you can use knife and cut it and you can make it sharp edged eraser. Again, adding lighter spots, you can use graphite pencil in order to add or to make corrections. So here I'm adding the shape which is missed. So you can also do that. And other thing, after adding the lighter region, you need to use tissue paper and blend it with the darker region. So if you spend more time on your process, the output will be that good. As this is a beginner video, I'm showing the basic shading and you can join my advanced course and learn how I'll shade regularly. So I'll show few techniques and tricks to achieve realistic output. Add few cross-hatching lines here and there, and you can enjoy the realistic output. Make few corrections and add few dots, tiny dots on the apple, which you can see some adding using 2B pencil. So add few dots on it. So it is almost done. And after adding these dots also, I'll use the tissue paper to blend it. See, I'm using it. You can give final touches. So the darkest region, which is towards right, so I'm adjusting it, and I'm using needle eraser, I'm using pencil, I'm using tissue paper, all this stuff. So this is your final touch. Do it properly. So now I want to adjust the shadow beneath the apple. So I'm giving final touch using tissue paper. So it is like quite irregular. So I'm erasing it. So again I'll use tissue paper or pencil or anything you can use until you receive the satisfied output. So I'm done with this apple. So always give credit to your artwork. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications.